Hello and welcome to this episode. Here I'm going to show you and explain how I entered in this stock. I made around 46% return in just 4 trading days. The name of this stock is Sexof Limited India. This is 1 week time frame chart. As you can see, the stock had been trading below this trend line. Last time it came to this zone around 125 zone and bounced back from this level, took resistance at this trend line. Once again it came down, failed to take support from this level and took support from this level. That was in the month of March 2026. Last time it took support from the same level in the month of March 2023. So from here it bounced back. This is the resistance zone. Broke this zone. Resisted at this level, 153 level. Came down. Took support. Went up again and resisted this from the same level. But what I see was price started to make lower high. Higher lows. It took support from this level 131 level, and then next time it took support at 135 level, and the next week it took support from 138 level. This is 1 week time frame. So I got some signal. So I went for 1 day time frame. This is 1 day time frame, and I further went down for 30 minutes for my entry. This is 30-minute time frame. I entered from this level right after this green bullish candle broke this trend line, and this green bullish candle gave confirmation. One confirmation, trend line broke, second confirmation. So I entered at the next opening candle. See, my stop loss right below this support zone, 138 level. My entry price is 143. Before I entered, I check on 15 minutes. See, on 15 minutes, this was the action on 15 minutes on Thursday 25 June. So I entered after 30 minutes. Then we take it to 1 day time frame chart. So my first target level was this level, 180 level. It broke this level, took support. Next day it reached up to my second level, and this is my third target, but it never reached up to this level. And on Wednesday, July 1, I exited because price, see, on that day it opened at this level to 10 level, rejected. Below this, came down below this trend line and above this previous resistance zone, and this red candle broke this previous support zone and came inside this previous resistance zone. So after pullback, see this green bullish candle, after pullback I exited my position around 208 level. If it continues to take support, I'm going to hold my stock for longer till it reaches its level, but I didn't. I exited from this level. See, you can find a lot of ways for entry. One way, one hour time frame, you can enter after this green bullish candle. Right after this bullish candle, that around 146 level, or after, if you want more confirmation, you can enter from this after this green bullish candle, 147 level, this level, or if you want to enter after 4 hours, see, after breaking this previous resistance zone, you can enter at the next candle. See, the stop loss will be around this level, right below this candle. So there's always option and for enter, but it depends on your risk. So this is it. Like I said, I made around 46% return in just 4 trading days. And yes, this is it. I hope you like my video, and thank you for watching.